told you guys at the beginning of these videos, this is probably going to be a regular thing, and Dunkin' Donuts, I'm still waiting on the sponsorship. I know my name is probably a little bit not the best thing for you guys to associate with, because it sounds a little bit closer to one of your competitors, but I mean, come on, I'm definitely one of your biggest supporters. It's 7:07 in the morning, it's 51 degrees out. Oh god! I am going up to Monticello Motor Club once again to meet up with Miller Motorcars for another one of their supercar events. As ETA is 8:10, currently it's 7:11. Let's see what time I get there. So ETA was 8:10, ETA now is 8 o'clock and it's 7:58 and we are here. Whoop whoop! Good morning. How's it going? Doing video today with Miller Motorcars. Okay. For Miller Motorcars. Chris Petruccio.
Chris, you're all set, bro.
Cool.
First building on the left.
Gotcha, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
I don't know what angle this is or what you guys can see, but this is a Mclaren event today with Miller Motorcars. I'm not sure what cars they're going to have here. She said they'll have about 6 McLarens, so we'll see. Got everything loaded inside. I gotta go move my car because it doesn't belong here with these cars, so. Feels like today's gonna be a fairly busy day. We got a lot of cars coming off, a lot of trucks. Normally it's just the Miller truck. So we got the team unloading the McLaren cars right now. They just unloaded the P1. They got a couple other cars on the truck right now. I'm gonna go down and get some gear. And then when we still have some good cloud coverage, I wanna get the drone up really quick to avoid any harsh shadows. You gotta stay there? Yeah, sure. So right now, I'm getting the Ronin set up. I'm mounting the plate on the bottom of the A7S2. Again, using the Sony G Master 24-70. I have a B&W variable ND on there because I'm gonna be shooting an S-Log. I'm definitely gonna need some type of ND to shoot an S-Log in some light. And then I've got to figure out my story plan for the day, what the story for the video is gonna be, and then start shooting. So currently I'm just moving all of my stuff out of the way. They put 4 of the McLarens in the garage, the P1 along with some of the other cars that I just want to grab some shots of, so I'm moving all my gear out of the way so it's not in the background of the shot. Blatantly, there's not just like a Ronin stand in the back. We got the P1 here, the 675 LT here, and up front we have the 570 GT and the 650S right behind us. But just moving the drone and the rest of the equipment now so it's not in any of the shots. Yeah, don't leave your equipment or any cases in the back of any shots. Just take the 5 seconds to move it out of the way. It'll be worth it. Taking a quick break. Got a couple drone shots, got a couple detail shots of each car except for the P1. I want to go back and get some shots of the P1 real quick. I'm getting some shots that I'm going to match up in post. I have an idea that came up in my head to do like something with all the badges in the back, with the back badges, kind of like a 4-channel pan across the screen at one time with all the badges. Kind of getting similar shots on the interior to maybe do something similar to that. In the meantime, they're still taking some cars around the track. I gotta get some more footage of that. I got some closer drone footage. I have some drone footage that's like fairly far away from the cars, but I want some that's really close, like some ballsy footage, which I'm gonna attempt in a little bit, maybe after lunch. But I think during lunch, what we're gonna do is maybe car to car, and back of the Legacy again, and back of the Legacy again, and then filming car to car in the cars they've been taking on the track. They got a ton of different cars going past here today. There's a little Praga that's running around. It's crazy. This little black Praga that's going around. Looks like a little alien spaceship. A bunch of Porsches, a bunch of race cars, a bunch of McLarens as well with the McLaren track day, of course. But I'm gonna go grab some water or a soda now. Something really cool about Monticello. Not all these cool cars. I'll show you some that I enjoy the most about Monticello. They have their own soda machine. So as usual, P1, star of the show, stuck in the garage, which is a little sad, but still nice to look at all the carbon accents, even on the emblem. Look at it. Look at it. Door handle hidden inside here. Over here. Open the door up. We see the dash come alive, which is pretty neat. Oh, look at that. You got a little TV on your screen. Who is you, Tesla? I don't think so. Can't even focus on this thing. You got the fun buttons. You got your badge right in there, 570 GT. Got our leather seats here, right here with the embossed McLaren logo up there.
Turn the ignition on, hit the button.
So Chris, what do we got going on right now?
Slide you around a little bit, I guess.
You're gonna slide it. You've been wanting to slide some things around.
Dude, I get the itch, you know? We got some cool cars that show up and I can't handle it.
So we've been here a couple times and Chris has been dying to slide something around. He wanted to slide around the P1, he wanted to slide around the LaFerrari. Couldn't really do that, but this nice M2 owner over here is down to let him slide his M2. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. So that was Chris going around. Now this isn't Chris. This is the guy Chris was just showing how to do the donuts. So he's gonna give it an attempt. I don't know if he's as good as a driver as Chris is. Chris has got a good history, but let's find out.
Alright, this is the man right here.
Figured it out. He's getting the hang of it.
I'm very much a novice, but Chris is the expert. So, if you ever have a set of tires, you need to really bring them down quick. Chris is your man.
This guy
Here. Awesome. This thing is so cool.
So how was that, Chris?
Oh my god, the coolest car right now.
But what are you about to do?
I think Alex is gonna slide the SVR.
Time for an in-car view?
Yeah, let's do it.
There we go. Whoa, 1 second. Wind this puppy up. Go for it. awesome. That is awesome. How does that feel to you?
It's pretty fun.
Well, I'll tell you one thing, it was definitely fun for me too. So the guys here at Monticello definitely know how to have a good time, that's without a doubt.
It feels different than a regular R, but I don't know.
So that was definitely a good time. Now what we're gonna go ahead and do is everyone else is gonna go get lunch and whatnot, and we're gonna try to do a couple parade laps with some of the cars. We're gonna see if we can get the P1 and the other cars that are in the garage out on the track. If not, we'll probably just be using the cars that they've been running around the track all day. We're gonna do like a photo run for Chris, photo guy here at Monticello, and then we're gonna do a video run as well for me. We're probably gonna take the Legacy around the ring again, because Chris enjoyed that and it's faster than their pace truck, so we're gonna give that a shot now. We'll give you guys behind the scenes look again on how we capture some of these shots. I think we got the fastest car on the track right now.
I think so.
So you guys have seen this before, you know what I'm doing. I'm getting the harness set up in the back here. Just gotta do a couple clips.
Yeah, keys are in the gray one. We'll use that one.
So there's this carabiner anywhere really on that chain.
On the higher one?
Yeah, on this thing, anywhere on this guy. Cool. See how we're 2, 2, 1 in the back? Let's try to keep it like that for a little while. You're good.
Why put the 570 GT in as the...
Come on guys, you can catch up. Try to keep everyone close and tight, guys. Try to get tight with everyone. Don't be afraid to get close to me, guys. Hey, Chris, when we get to the straightaway, slow down. I'm going to line everyone up. Cool. When we get to the straightaway up here, everyone just slow it down. I'm going to line you guys. All right, Chris. Drive aggressive. Swerve left and right. Make sure your car is seen. On the straightaway, everyone's gonna fly past. All right. All right, Chris.
Thanks, man. Was that good speed?
That was great. Cool. Fantastic job, everybody.
Hey, would you actually want to give me that lens?
Yep. Trade you. first time I've ever driven the Legacy on the track.
How'd it feel?
Scary as hell.
It's weird, like driving on track, because you're like, oh, where am I going?
I wasn't worried about that. I was worried about everything behind me.
Yeah. It is a little nerve-wracking, especially when you're like, oh, come really close.
I saw the P1 behind me. I was shitting the entire time.
Brake check them.
So I got the 570S hooked up with audio. What I have here on the inside is the microphone suction cupped. If you guys can see that, suction cupped on the inside of the window. The wire comes out, taped all up into the door frame through the vent back here, and the microphone is back in there. You guys can see that to capture, can you see that? Back in there to capture some engine noise. Putting it too close to the exhaust on this is probably gonna be too hot going around the track, so it's just gonna keep that wire. It's gonna stay in the door jamb, and I'm gonna send it out for an audio lap. It's currently 1:35. Got a ton of footage so far from today. I'm gonna go inside right now and review some of the footage on the Assassin to make sure I have basically everything I need or everything I want to have. If I'm good, I'll wrap it up. But I'm just gonna review everything now to make sure I have everything I need. So this way I don't leave here regretting I didn't get a certain shot or anything like that. I just wanna review all the footage while I have some quick downtime, make sure I have everything, and then head back out there if I need more footage. So that's it. That is full day, about a full day here at Monticello Motor Club. Getting a bunch of cool drone shots, a bunch of cool car-to-car shots, which came out pretty awesome. Cool drift footage, so that'll be something nice for this little video and for Instagram and whatnot. That was fun being in the in-car, like that was sick. Haven't really been in many drift cars or just that, like the clean culture shows that you guys have seen and whatnot. So I've never really been in that many cars. I've done burnouts or donuts, so that was pretty unique. And for that Jaguar too, that was awesome. You guys got to see mic'd up car, the car-to-car action with me and the photographer. You got to see a bunch of like details, some really cool McLarens, some of the new models as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and I'm gonna go home and eat now. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.